has the second highest capacity, simple controls, the knob was crazy satisfying, lowest noise, can clean everything, and just few flaws overall. But it doesn't cover too large of an area compared to Watt's. It's a bit too simple and basically 2 modes and no other features. This is great for someone who wants a no BS humidifier and also has a small workspace. And although I ranked the Pure for A in looks, this might get an S in looks. I love the frosted glass, even though it is a little hard to see inside the water levels.